E aí, pessoal, tudo jóia? Hi everyone, how are you doing? Jane here. Today we're gonna work on the difficult open A vowel. So, in English, there are three kinds of different A vowels. E as in cat, A as in name, and A as in car. And none of those vowels exist in Portuguese. To make a vowel, you need jaw drop, A, and corners of the lips are stretched. They're a little bit larger. A, like a smile. If you don't do that, you're gonna have a sound more like O for us. Abacaxi, abacate, amora, aberto, achado, lápis, para, abrir, agir, dar, fazer, sair. There are few common mistakes that students can make if they don't have this open A vowel and they have car vowel instead. You might say minha namorado instead of minha namorada, and meu morido instead of meu marido. Gorra instead of garra, and branca instead of branca. So always try to remember these two movements. Here, the jaw, ah, and here, stretched, ah. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tip. Remember to subscribe to Portuguese, give the video the thumbs up, and see you next time. Tchau, tchau!